Hello everyone. Here we'll be discussing one question of test 15. But before discussion of this thing, we'd like to tell you about how to approach a question when it comes in like 7 to 8 marker in BPSC. Now, let's understand. You need to write down intro of the text, then you need to write down the body of the text, then you need to write down the challenges, then you need to write down the way ahead, and then you need to write the conclusion. This will be the basic template for every question that you will be writing, whether it's 7 marker or 35 marker or 36 marker or 38 marker. Okay. Now understand, for conclusion, if it is a 38 marker, then it will be 4 to 5 lines. And for 7 or 8 markers, it will be around 1 to 2 lines. Okay. So this will be the basic structuring that will be following up here. Now, let's come and discuss about this question, that what we need to write down in this question and what will be the conclusion and what will be the introduction part of this question. Okay, so first of all, you will tell us what is Niti Aayog. So Niti Aayog is statutory, Niti Aayog is n- executive body, executive body. That means it is result of an executive order. Okay, you will not write down here non-constitutional. You will not write down here non-statutory. Like consider, अगर हमसे कोई अपना नाम पूछे कि मेरा नाम क्या है, तो हम कहेंगे मेरा नाम एक्स है, वाई है, ये थोड़ी कहेंगे मेरा नाम जेड नहीं है, मेरा नाम ए नहीं है. ठीक है. So Niti Aayog is an executive body, that is, it is an executive order that has led to Niti Aayog. ठीक है. It was established on that is 1st of January 2015. Okay, this will be your 1 or 2 line introduction that you will talk about. Okay, now you will define here cooperative federalism. What is cooperative federalism? Cooperative federalism talks about the cooperation at different levels in which the center and state works together towards a common goal for fulfilling the vision towards a developed India. A developed country, you can write. Okay, so you defined cooperative federalism, you define Niti Aayog. So consider in here the question Niti Aayog part is dealt. Then you have defined cooperative federalism. This is also done. Now, how is the harbinger? So here you will write as a heading Niti Aayog as harbinger of cooperative federalism. Okay. So here you will write how it is a harbinger of cooperative federalism. So in this section, you will mention about few points of Niti Aayog. First, we will talk about the that is then how is Niti Aayog, composition of Niti Aayog. So you will talk about the Prime Minister, then CEO, then the vice that is CEO, the Vice President. Okay, and then you will tell the members that is nominated by PM. Then you will tell us about the CM and LG. And understand one thing, I've seen in the copies that you all have mentioned about like CM and LG. No, you need to write down Chief Minister. You can't write down CM, Chief Minister. You need to write down Lieutenant General. You can't write down LG because it gives a wrong impression on the examiner. Okay. So this is about composition, because you understand, if the structure is understood, you will understand there is cooperation. Second point, earlier the planning commission used to be a top to bottom approach. Okay. But this is bottom up approach. Okay. Second point. Third point, you will write about the three wings of Niti Aayog, in which re- research wing is there, Team India wing is there, and the third wing, that is innovation and the cooperation by the states wing. Okay. And then you will mention how it is helping out. Like you will consider Niti Aayog with his health index. Okay. It is monitoring the health of the states and awarding them on this parameter. Okay, these are the things. Secondly, you will talk about Niti Aayog and its export index, logistic index. So you will mention how Niti Aayog logistic index is facilitating states towards greater cooperation. Now you will talk about some of the schemes that are being implemented on by like aspirational district program in which Niti Aayog cooperates with the states for the areas that are lacking behind in the achievement. So these are the three, 4 points. Since it's a 7, 8 marker, so you just need to write down. See, if it is a 7, 8 marker, this portion will be of 1 mark. This portion will be of 1 mark. This portion will be of 3 to 4 marks. Okay, and rest you will write down a small column of challenges, and you will mention some funds issue. You will mention some functions not defined. Then you will mention the functionaries like the people, machinery, and the resources that are not available. Okay. And rest, this will be consisting of 0.5 to 1 marks. And rest, you will write the conclusion. Conclusion, always try to make it realistic. So for realistic conclusion, questions related to Niti Aayog, try writing Niti Aayog Vision 75 document. Okay, and then write down that it talks about or try writing about Amrit Kal. So it gives a better understanding to your answer and thus conclude the answer. So this is how you will be discussing all the questions on the platform, and you will be taking note about, will not be providing any model answer, will be helping you out about the things, will not be like giving you any format of the answer like written in a format. We'll be discussing every question in detail. We'll be telling you what to route, how to write, where to get the data, how to get the data, so that your time is not wasted. And since you have only 20-25 days now remaining, so the next sessions of like 25-30 sessions that we'll be taking will be of great help to you. Understand it? Okay. See you then.